As your count of issues, merge requests, and epics grows in GitLab, labels help you organize and tag your work so you can track and find the work items you're interested in. You have the ability to create items within your organization that flow down. Here at AwesomeCo, you can create epics which are visible within logistics that you can assign sub-epics, child epics, and issues to. There are also labels within top-level groups. Labels are a powerful primitive within GitLab that allow you to have a robust taxonomy for your work items. It's also helpful for reporting and managing different types of workflows. There are two kinds of labels within GitLab: normal labels and scoped labels. Scoped labels are unique to GitLab. A scoped label acts like a custom field, in that an issue or epic can only have one label of a given key at a time. If you have an issue with the capability 1 refined and try to add this capability to the review label, it will automatically remove the first label and apply the second one. You can have as many different keys of scoped labels as you want, but only one key on a given issue. This is helpful for doing things like demos, visualizing workflows, or if there are components of your system that you want to tag issues or epics to. You could use scoped labels for storing t-shirt sizes, for example. On higher-level work items, you can create scoped labels for priority. You can also set scoped labels for different squads that are going to own different work items. You can also create scoped labels to denote work item hierarchy, where work epic is the highest level, then capability, and then feature. Features get decomposed into bugs, maintenance, stories, or tasks. We also set up scoped labels to visualize and manage the workflow of AwesomeCo, so things go into triage, design, validation, refinement, and then the build track, which we also have workflow labels for. Labels are useful because if you create them at a higher level, you can standardize the taxonomy of your work items downstream. Here are some labels in AwesomeCo. The label list under Squad F has all of the same labels that we defined earlier. Squad F can also create their own labels if they want to break from the standard labels. Scope labels simplify management across all of your subgroups and projects, promoting workflow consistency.